Okay, so today we're going to start putting these things into sections and playing them well. Just isolating section A and playing that through with the first ending and the second ending, and then isolating section B and playing that with the first and second ending too. So let's start with the pickup on the A, and then go all the way through with the first ending, and then end on the second ending. Okay, so that would sound like this. I'm going to have you take it a little slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm going to go. First ending. Second ending. Okay, I added that slide because it feels good. Even though it goes into the next section, it feels good to finish that slide. Okay, so that'd be section A. I would just do that over and over again and get the hang of it. I identify the parts that maybe need more work and make a note of that. We'll work on it together, or just iron those out the more you play that. Section B is a little more difficult, and it also has a pickup. I would add, even though section B starts here, I would add this note, bottom, as we play it, okay? So here's section B, same tempo probably, a little bit slow. First ending. Second ending. Okay, and I would just play that a bunch. You need to back this video up and listen to it and then play it, but I think that's the ticket. You need to really practice that part a lot. I would actually maybe take it a little slower on the B section because of these two measures. That's tricky. It might need to be a little slower, but that's what I would do. Yeah, the last thing I would say is really working on the transition between page 1 and page 2 to get the hang of what that sounds like. Starting with the number 2, so even though it has that, I'm going to take out these zeros here and start on 2. I just think it's easier to start there so you can hear the phrase. And just play it over and over and over again so you don't hear a break. Over and over and over again. And then put it into the whole thing. Then put it back into the whole piece there on section C. This week you are working on getting those sections good on A and B, working on the whole section, all of A, and then all of B. And then work on the little parts of C and D that you need to work on, and we'll add those next time. All right, have a great week.